Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Neuropsychological test is what we're looking at. So this neuropsychiatric evaluation, it combines the information from the neurological, neuropsychological testing. So we have a broad spectrum, broad term, that is a neuropsychiatric. So this term is very important. So neuropsychiatric, it combines the information from the neurological. So this is a combination of the neurological, and this is along with the neuropsychological testing, as well as a mental status examination along with the mental status. So the following are the common neuropsychological screening tests and also the test batteries. So what are the neurological screening tests? So this involves, there is a Wisconsin card sorting test. So there is a Wisconsin card sorting test. Then comes the Wechsler memory scale. Next is a PGI memory scale. Then comes the Bender Gestalt test. So this is the Bender Gestalt test, or it is known as the BG test. Next, the Benton visual retention test. There is Benton visual retention test, or it is known as a BVRT. Next is the Luria, Nebraska. So there is Luria, Nebraska neuropsychological battery. Lastly, there is a Halstead-Retan, the neuropsychological test battery. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.